What is good? Welcome back to the channel. As you saw in my last video, I had an issue with the driver's side velcro on the tonneau cover I purchased off of Real Truck. However, if you look on their website, it comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. So I was able to contact Real Truck. However, they don't deal with the manufacturer's warranties, but they did provide the number for the manufacturer. So I gave them a call, and they said it was just that this one part, it's a piece of plastic and it has a velcro attached, and it just slides into the channel on the driver's side rail. So there should be a quick install. Let's get this thing fixed. All right, so the first thing we got to do here is just roll this up, and you're going to expose the screws here at the back. And there's actually not one in the front. So I think on the manual there it said there should be one in the front and back. However, there's just one screw here in the back. Right now you can't tell how bad the velcro was because I used a double-sided tape just to tack it down for the time being until the part came in. But we'll give you a close-up on this so you can see what happened. Next, we're just going to take out this screw here in the back. Once that front screw is out, you can just push it from the front. There it goes. And then this whole rail just slides right out. All right, as you can see, there's a channel here where this other plastic piece should just slide in. So push it all the way up, cut, use these snips here to just cut it. All right, with the new velcro installed, you're just going to go ahead and insert one of these self tappers at the rear of the velcro here just to hold it in place. All right, let's test this out. Pop it up. All right, and it looks like we're going to be good to go. This one works fine. They did provide enough to do a whole other side just in case this happens again. Hopefully it doesn't. And that is it for this video. I will say, dealing with Real Truck and the manufacturer for the tonneau cover, I didn't have to haggle anybody for the parts. It was pretty quick and easy, just as simple as the install. I have seen you guys commenting below about the front wheels, where they're rubbing, so I will be doing a follow-up video for you to show you exactly where they're rubbing and in what situations they're rubbing. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.